Have you ever poured your heart into a prayer and felt the silence pierce your soul? Why does it hurt so much to wait while life rushes past you? Welcome to Jesus Within, where faith embraces your deepest struggles and waiting becomes a sacred path to miracles. If this stirs your spirit with longing, subscribe now and tap the bell. Let every word heal your weary heart. Today, we face a truth that tests us all: the art of waiting on God's perfect timing. Oh, the ache of waiting, it's a silent storm, isn't it? Not the chaos before, nor the calm after, but the endless pause that grips your heart. You've whispered prayers through tear-streaked nights, clung to belief with trembling hands, cried out, "Lord, when will you answer?" Yet, hear this truth, heavy with love: God's silence is not abandonment. His wait is a tender "not yet," promising something greater for your soul. He's weaving a plan beyond your sight, shielding you from unseen dangers, and forging strength for blessings yet to come. In Habakkuk 2 verse 3, a beacon of hope shines. Though the vision tarries, wait for it, it will surely come. God's promises ripen like sweet fruit, needing time to bless you fully. Abraham endured 25 years for Isaac, his heart tested by faith. Joseph bore 13 years of pain before his palace dream. Even Jesus waited 30 years, his spirit quiet yet mighty. Waiting, my friend, is no punishment. It's the crucible where your faith is refined. I feel your pain, the darkness that envelopes you. While others dance in light, marriages, promotions, healings, you whisper, broken, "Lord, have you forgotten me?" But no, He hasn't turned away. He sees every tear, watches how you hold on. Waiting with faith, through the fog of doubt, is the purest act of worship, a cry that moves heaven. Trust Him when the path is blind, and feel His presence draw near. Sometimes, delay is God's shield over you. What if He granted your desire too soon, before your heart could bear its weight? Isaiah 60 verse 22 whispers hope. When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. Stop forcing doors, chasing what's not yours. When it's time, they'll swing open effortlessly, revealing it was His plan, not your struggle. Today, God calls you to wait with purpose. Not in fear, but in worshipful surrender. Serve, pray, trust, and prepare your heart. For this season shapes your soul. It builds your strength, polishes your character, and deepens your bond with Him. A sacred time, not a waste.